In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load Procreate brushes into Affinity Photo and Designer. If you love the feel of your Procreate brushes and want that same creative toolkit inside Affinity Photo or Affinity Designer, this walkthrough will get you there smoothly. We'll be working with .abr files, the common Photoshop brush format, because both Affinity apps can import them directly, which makes the process quick and reliable. First, make sure your brushes are exported from Procreate as .abr files. In Procreate, head to your brush library, choose the set you want to move, and share or export it as an .abr file. Give the file a clear name so you'll recognize it later, and save it somewhere you can easily access from Affinity, like your Files app, iCloud Drive, or another synced folder. Keeping your files organized now saves time during import, and it helps if you plan to bring in multiple sets. Next, open Affinity Photo or Affinity Designer. The import process is the same in both apps, so use whichever you're working in. You don't need anything special prepared. Opening a blank document is fine. Once you're in, select the Brush tool. In Affinity Photo, it's the Paint Brush tool. In Affinity Designer, make sure you're in the pixel persona so the brush options are available, then pick the brush tool there. Selecting the tool ensures the brushes panel will be relevant and ready for the next steps. Now, open the brushes panel. If you don't see it yet, you can reveal it from the Studio or Panels menu, depending on your device. Once the panel is visible, look for the menu icon in the panel, often shown as 3 lines, and choose Import Brushes. This is the command that tells Affinity to bring an external brush set into your current library. If you're on a tablet, the menu might be at the top of the Brushes panel. On desktop, it's typically in the panel's upper corner. In the file picker that appears, navigate to the ABR file you exported earlier. Select it, and then confirm by tapping or clicking Open. Affinity will import the brushes and usually place them into a new category in your brushes panel. Larger sets can take a moment, so give it a second to finish. Once they're in, pick a brush and make a few test strokes to confirm everything feels right. If anything seems off, try switching to a different brush variation or adjusting size and flow. And that's it. Your Procreate brushes are now ready to use inside Affinity Photo and Designer so you can keep your creative momentum going across apps.